This is how you can train an AI that is there for your team and there for your clients when you cannot be. And do not give me any bullshit about 365-day, 24/7 availability. That's not how life works or business works as well. So left to right, the 4 boxes, and we're going to break each one down. So box number 1, this is where we're going to be looking at the actual source of the information that it's going to be using. So this is what you need to collect to start. Or for example, if you've done it all on Fathom, you can use an MCP to pull it through. So this is basically your call recordings as step number 1. Box number 2, right? This is where we're going to be looking at putting all of your transcripts into one folder. So it says documented IP. So that's the next box that we need to be looking at. So the source of the information, the transcripts where the actual bank is. And then from that point, which is really, really, really important because this is going to be specific to you. And if you don't currently have this, I'd highly recommend that you have it. And that is where you actually document your own intellectual property. So what this will basically do, this is going to merge with the actual call recordings and transcripts that you've got, any transcripts that you've got on your IP, but also your actual frameworks that you use on a day-to-day and week-to-week basis as well. Right. Box number 4, and then this is going to be the thing that reads both, right? I could go into God knows how many different ways that you could create this. The way that I do it is I will use Netlify with Claude Code, and I'll potentially have Supabase connected in the back end as well. But you can even do this as simple as just creating a GPT by inputting that information into it, which is a really easy chat people that can use. So from then, all you then do is you tick 2 different boxes. You wire in the actual knowledge base, which is needed. Then you wire in any live numbers as well. So if you've got any connected MCPs and stuff where people can communicate with live data, that's also really good as well. So this is going to be looking at today's figures or last quarters or something, what's actually happening right now in this moment. And it could be anything, right? So now from this point, this is the bit that matters. Someone on your team has a question. Normally, they will walk over and they'll ask you, or if you're on a call, they'll have to wait, and then they type it and then you get an answer. And it's the same when a client asks something at 12 o'clock at night or they're in a different country. Like, put your last 20 transcripts and your written IP into one folder. That folder is a training set and you already own it, right? And it's so easy to set up. That can be incredible for your clients and incredible for your team. And if you want an easy guide on how to do this, all you need to do is comment assistant and I'll send it over straight away as a step-by-step process.